Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on the application of Netflix. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Netflix and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.